What's going on, everyone? Today we are checking the new hidden features of the iOS 14 and some of the cool things that Apple is hiding around the new operating system that comes out later this year. But before this, if this is the first time you see my videos in my channel, make sure you subscribe in the channel and hit the bell notification to receive any new video in my channel. So let's get started. Feature number 1, picture-in-picture video. Basically, iPhone users now will be able to see a video while they are doing something else. Maybe they are playing a game, or writing a text message, or accessing another application. So let's check it out to see how it works. First, we access Safari, and then we access YouTube, and then play a video to see how it works. Making a full screen. So as you can see in the top left of the screen, you will see this icon. Just click on it and then you will be able to see the video at the same time you are doing something else. And more than that, you will be able to move it through up and down quickly. And if you want to change the size, I really prefer this size if you want to make it bigger or smaller. Feature number 2. That's really a pretty cool feature that I do like it, honestly. So if I scroll through the control center, you might see a new icon that appears in the bottom of the screen, which is the sound recognition. And basically your iPhone will be an active listener for the things like fire alarms, door knocks, maybe dogs barking, okay? And sometimes if you didn't see this icon appears in the control center, it's very easy. Just access the setting and then in the control center, click on the control center, and then you will be able to add it from the list. All right, that's really easy. And then I will just keep silence a few seconds just to see if it works correctly or not. I will play a dog barking sound in my computer just to see if it works or not. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You see, that's really pretty cool feature that I do like it, honestly. A sound has been recognized that maybe a dog. This is really a dog, but this is not a real dog. This is only a sound of the dog that is a virtual one, you know. All right. Feature number 3. Now users will be able to add widgets in the home screen. So how it works? Just keep pressing in the home screen. And then you will see in the top right of the screen, you will see an add button. Just click on it. And then you will be add all the new widgets that you want. Let's add maybe the map widget or the podcasts. Okay, just choose the size, the smallest one, the medium, or maybe the bigger. Let's choose this one. Okay, add widget. All right. More than that, you can add 2 widgets in the same time or in the same widget. Just keep pressing in one of them, for example. Keep pressing and then move it here. All right, and then you will be able to scroll through all the widgets that you have added in only one. Feature number 4. This is basically regarding the new apps that you will download in the home screen. So now you will have 2 choices. Either you will add them directly to the app library, or you will keep them in the home screen. Let's check it out how it works. Just access the settings, and then in the home screen, as you can see here, yes, in the home screen. All right, you see a new app downloaded. So either you have 2 choices. Either you add them to the home screen directly as we had to do, or as we used to do earlier, or you will add them only in the app library. I mean here in the app library. So if you check the app library option, every app that you will download, this will be added to the app library. Feature number 5. This is concerning emojis. Now there is what we call a quick search, an emoji quick search. So let's check it out how it works. Just search for a notes, for example, and then just type, for example, click on to show emojis. All right, and here, as you can see, there is a quick search bar for the emojis. Just click on it. Let's type, for example, laptop. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's type another word, maybe home, for example. That's pretty cool, really. I do like it. Feature number 6. This is concerning the camera. Now, iPhone users will be able to change from HD to 4K with only one click. Let's check it out to see how it works. First, we access the camera, and then we click on the video. And as you can see in the top right of the screen, I can change from 4K to HD with only one click. And sometimes if it doesn't work, just click on the settings, and then in the settings of the camera here, to make it easier for you, click on the record video, and then you have to enable this option, video format control. Okay? And another feature is that have been added also is the green dot. Let's access the camera again. As you can see in the top right of the screen, a green dot. So whenever you see this green dot in any application, that means that this application is using your camera. And if you see an orange dot in the top right of the screen, that means that this app is using your microphone. Feature number 7. This is concerning the voice recording app. As you know, we used to have all our recording as a list. Now we'll be able to create folders. Let's see how it works. First, we access the recording app, and then as you can see in the top right of the screen, click on edit, and then choose maybe 2 recordings, for example, and click on move. Okay, and then you can see in the bottom this button, just click on it to add or to create a new folder. Let's name it, for example, my studies, for example. Save, and click on it, and just click on move. And as you can see, my studies now have, just click on cancel, go back, and then if you access, you have only 2 recordings in only one folder. Feature number 8. This is really a pretty cool feature that I do like it, but unfortunately it doesn't want to work in my iPhone because I don't have an iPhone X Max or an iPhone 11 or more than that. But if you do have an iPhone X Max or an iPhone 11, that may be a cool feature for you also. I'm sure it will be. Let's see how it works. This feature called the back tap. And if you want to make it active, you shall access the settings, and then you click on accessibility and scroll down a little bit to see the touch option. And then, as I said, it doesn't want to work in my iPhone, but if you do have an iPhone X Max or an iPhone 11, you will see in the top the last option called the back tap. And if you click on it, you will see 2 options. The first option called triple taps, and the second option you will see 2 taps. That means that if you click, for example, in the first option, and if you choose, for example, 3 taps with screenshot, that means if you click 3 taps in the back of your iPhone, your iPhone will make a screenshot automatically. And if you choose the second option, which is 2 taps, for example, I choose my iPhone, when I tap twice in my back or in the back of my iPhone, that will show the control center. That's really a pretty cool feature. I'm sure you will like it. Feature number 9. Well, basically this is regarding moving back quickly. Let's see how it works. First, access the settings, and then, for example, let's choose any option from here, and then let's choose, for example, general, and then keyboard, text replacement. So we use, for example, if I want to go back to the setting, I have to click in the keyboard and then general and then settings. This is the normal way. What if I show you another way, which is really good and really quickly, more than this? Keyboard, text replacement. Just keep pressing in the keyboard a long press like this, and then you will see three options: setting, general, and the keyboard option. If you click on settings, you will go back directly to the setting. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you liked this video. And as I said before, if this is the first time you see my video, don't forget to subscribe in the channel and hit the bell notification to receive any new video that comes in the channel. So thanks for watching, and until next video, see you then.